What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. This is your LGS signing in. My team wanted to do a cinematic video on poker on a very low budget. We had the poker chips, we had 2 deck of cards, we created the scene, we set up some lights, and bam, we are good to go for the shoot. But today's video is about why sound effects are very important in the post-production process. I wanted to do this as a big budget thing, but budget constraints, maybe in the future. So, talking about sound effects, the video which you saw didn't sound great just out of camera. After the edit is done, sound effects are added based on what is in the frame. There are 2 ways to perfect it. One, you gotta record the audio live in the shoot place, or you gotta create sound in the Foley process. So, here is the same video with just only sound effects. Now you get the idea, right? The sound effects which you heard now was recorded with the same chips and the cards, but we had to manipulate the sound similar to the scene in order to make it very realistic. That's it for this video. Hope you all had fun. Smash that like if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, you know the drill. See you all again in another video. This is your LGS signing out.